What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So it's been a while since I uploaded. It's probably been a couple weeks or a little bit more. I had been real busy doing other things and hadn't really had time to work on the truck. Plus it was real hot these past few couple weeks, so it was really not very motivating to be out here in the garage being so hot and no AC in here or anything like that. So with that and being busy, real busy with other things, I just couldn't get around to working on the truck, guys. But today I'm actually gonna do the first engine upgrade on my truck, guys. And so before we get started, guys, I'm gonna give a huge shout out to Tim from Decent Garage here on YouTube. He actually has a first gen Cummins, and I've been learning a lot from watching his video, guys. He's real good at making the videos to where you guys can learn how to do the things yourselves, and he's pretty much what motivated me to start doing this first upgrade to my engine on the truck. And let me show you what I'm gonna do. Alright, guys, so here is what I am going to do. I just opened the box. I've actually had this for a few months already. With painting the truck and all the things that I've been doing to it, I just hadn't been able to get around to this. But today, guys, we are actually going to be changing the fuel pin and the governor spring in the injection pump right there. And again, guys, I'm not real good at teaching or doing, because this is the first time I'm gonna do this, by the way. So if you guys want to see a video of how it's properly done and everything, like you need to go watch Tim's video. I'm gonna leave a link to his videos on. He actually has a video of changing the spring. The spring, and he also has another video changing the fuel pin. But I'm gonna do both on this video, guys. I'm gonna try to explain a little bit, but like, if you guys want to know exactly how it's done and everything, y'all go check him out. Go check out his video, and I'm gonna link those two videos on the description. That way you guys can go see him, but watch mine first, okay? And I'm gonna go ahead and open that up and get to it, guys. So let's get started. Alright, guys, I was actually editing the video right now, and I noticed that I forgot to mention something on that fuel pin and the governor spring. They're from the Hungry Diesel, and I believe Tim has a discount code for them, which is Decent First Gen. I think that's what the code is. Like I said, it's been a few months since I ordered it, but go ahead and go watch his video, and he'll actually mention the discount code from if you order from them. So that's a pretty good deal. Also, y'all can get 10% off when you order the fuel pin and the governor spring from the Hungry Diesel. I just wanted to add that right away before I completed the video. So go ahead and keep watching. Okay, guys, I got the camera set up. I hope I don't knock it over right there. So first of all, we got to open up this right here. And to do this, guys, I pretty much watched Tim's videos over and over and over because I don't want to mess it up. And I'm gonna go ahead and open up this part right here. That's where the fuel pin is attached at. And then we gotta open up some more things in the bottom to be able to get to the governor spring. So I'm gonna go ahead and set you guys some time lapse, more than likely, while I open everything up. I gotta undo these banjo bolts and a bunch of lines. So it is not like a easy job at all. It is a little bit tedious, but it should make a huge difference on the performance of the engine, guys. All right. Alright guys, we have it out. We have the top of the pump off. So now we're gonna put the governor spring in. So I want to do this right away, put it on this, and then take the other one out and put this one right in there. This is scary, guys. This is the first time I do something like this, and I don't want to mess anything up here. This is some very, very technical stuff that it has to work right for the truck to work right. All right, there it is. So now it's time to put everything back together. Here's the old one. And like I said, guys, if y'all want a very detailed explanation, like a step-by-step how to do it, make sure to go check out Tim's channel, Decent Garage, and he explains everything like step-by-step how to do it. I'm not very good at teaching, like I already said before. I'm not very good at like doing tutorial stuff or anything like that. So I've been looking at his video as I've been doing this, even though I've already seen the video a few times, but I've still been looking at it as I've been doing it because I don't want to mess anything up. So if you guys want, like I said, if you guys want to know exactly how to do every step, go check out his video, guys. He does a real good job on explaining how to do everything. And I'm still scared to mess it up because, like I said, this is some very technical stuff. So I don't want to mess anything up, guys. So now I'm going to put this back on. I do remember him saying that you got to back this screw out when you put it back in, because you don't want it to mess up something in there. Oops. I need to look at his video again because I need to know exactly what it is that he said that I can mess up. You can break something. Let's see, it goes like that. I don't know. Let me look at his video again, and then we'll start putting this back in. Okay guys, so I already saw the video again. So the reason we need to back this screw out is this a full power screw. It's because it rests on the back of, that's the fulcrum lever, that's what it's called. And the screw, when it's in there, it rests behind this, so it pushes it in. So if we put it in like it is right now, the screw, this one will actually be on top of it, on top of that, and then we can break it. We'll break it real easy. So I'm gonna back it out even with the housing right there, and then we can put it back in. And then, oh, before I back it out, I need to mark up with a Sharpie where it is. I need to loosen this nut, and then I'll get a Sharpie and I'll make a mark. That way I know exactly where it should be when I put it back in. Now this one has something different from his video. It's got this little clamp thing. Oh, there we go. I don't know what that is for. Come on, focus. It wants to focus to the back of it. Okay. I don't know if it's so that you avoid screwing it in too far, but as y'all can see, it's probably a good I don't know. It's a little bit less than 1/9 of an inch separated. So I can't really mark that. So I'm just going to try to remember that and try to leave it at the same distance when I take it back, when I put it back in. That's pretty much that's what I can think of doing. I don't know what else I can do for that. Okay, so I got it to loosen up, and I loosened this nut up, but it's spinning the whole thing. So I think that'll work. That way I don't have to spin just the inner part. So I'll just go ahead and spin it out by hand right there. As y'all can see, everything is spinning, the nut and everything. So whenever I tighten it back up, it should line up. I put this line. You see, these lines should line up good. So we'll do that. Alright, so that's about it right there. So now let's go ahead and put it back in, guys. Okay, guys, let me show you right here. I'm sure a lot of you already know this. This is one crucial part, according to Tim. This indexing should be right where it was where you took it off, and I try to do my best to put it where it was. Mine was on the second little mark, and I think I got it right. I got it as good as I could. But in case the truck doesn't run good or it doesn't want to start or something, I'm thinking it's going to be this right here. I might need to adjust it. So I'm going to go ahead and put everything back together on this part, and I'll get back to you guys. I've been recording too much, and my camera's about to run out of battery. So I'm just going to put everything back together, and we'll get back to you as soon as I get it all done. Okay, guys, looks like we got it all together, at least up to this part. Seems to be working good. Now I'm gonna do another thing, another little upgrade here that anybody can do. Tim has a video on this too on his channel, on changing this part. This is what hooks up to the throttle, to the accelerator, pretty much. This is the cable. So if you want to get a little bit more what do you say, throttle response, a better throttle response, you can change this to over here, and that'll give you a better throttle response. And then the spring that normally goes there, we'll put it on this other end. So since we're already working on this, I'm gonna go ahead and change that, put the little fitting on this other hole, and that way we can have a little bit of a upgrade right there. Okay guys, so we got all this part done, put back together. We still have to rethread the full power screw back in to where it's supposed to be, and then we gotta put this one back in, but this one's kind of on the way. I'm not gonna put this one on yet because now we gotta do the fuel pin. So on the fuel pin we gotta take this part, so I don't want to put that on just yet. And since this is on the way right now to thread that in, and I don't want to put this one in yet, I'll just do that one until the end, until we finish changing the fuel pin. So now we're gonna do the fuel pin. Now I'm not gonna be recording everything because it's just pretty much self-explanatory. Just take these 4 bolts out and I'll just show you. I'll pick up the camera when I take this part out, okay? Okay guys, so bad news and good news. Okay guys, sorry to cut you short. As y'all can see, the top of the pump was off again. We did run into a little problem, but y'all are gonna have to stay tuned for the next video to see what that problem was. And that problem pretty much caused the video to get a little bit too long. So as I was editing the video right now, it was a bit too long, so I decided I'm just gonna make it a 2-part video. So this is gonna be part 1, guys. Stay tuned for part 2, where I'll go ahead and explain to you guys what actually went wrong and why I had to pull the top of the pump back off. But that's gonna be it for this one, guys. I do want to thank you guys for watching the video. If this is the first time you're here, make sure to hit that subscribe button right now, guys. And also, if you're already subscribed, thank you for your continued support, guys. We're almost at 300 subscribers. We're at 290 as of making this video, so that means a lot to me, guys. Thank you very much. And also, guys, if you can, please hit that like button. It helps YouTube promote the video more. So that's gonna be it, guys. Thank you guys, and we'll see you on the next one.